What if I told you there's a career where you can earn 6 figures, travel the world, work in luxury properties, and your resume is the single most important factor in getting you there? Welcome to the world of private service, butlers, house managers, and estate managers, professionals who run the households of the ultra wealthy. And here's what most people don't know. There are over 510,000 ultra high net worth individuals in the world right now, people worth over $30 million each. Their combined wealth nearly $60 trillion, and that number is expected to grow by 31% in the next 5 years. And these families need qualified staff. And right now, demand for qualified private service professionals is actually outpacing the supply. But here's the catch: getting through the door requires more than skills. Your application documents and presentation have to be perfect. That's exactly why we partnered with the International Butler Academy, one of the world's most respected institutions for private service training. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a resume and cover letter that meets TIBA's professional standards while using Novoresume. So let's dive in. Before we get into the how-to, you need to understand why private service resumes are completely different from regular job application. In the corporate world, you highlight companies you worked for, name drop brands, show off logos, but in the private service, you do the exact opposite. TIBA's guidance is clear. Never name your previous employers on your CV. Why? Because discretion isn't just preferred in this industry, it's foundational. These families value their privacy above almost everything else. If your resume reveals who you worked for, they may question whether they can trust you. The International Butler Academy puts it perfectly. Butlers are the voice of their principals. Your resume and cover letters aren't just applications, they are auditions for how you'll represent the household. And this is what a TIBA standard resume looks like. Let me break down exactly what makes it work. First, the mandatory elements. You must include your full name, email, phone number, a professional summary of 2 to 3 sentences, your work experience with, and this is critical, the reason for departing each position, a skill sections, and your languages with proficiency levels. See these reasons for departing notes under each position? Most industries would never include this, but in private service, it's required. Principals want to know why you left. Was it a contract ending, a relocation? This shows transparency. Then we have the recommended fields: nationality, age or birth year, education and butler training, certifications for yachting or private aviation, and licenses like driving permits and current visas with expiration dates. In this global industry, principals need to know if you can legally work in their location. Notice how the visas include expiration dates? That level of detail matters. And a few more non-negotiables. Maximum 2 pages, no all caps headings, easy to read fonts, absolutely 0 spelling mistakes, and your file name must be professional. First name, last name, position, resume.pdf. And never include references available upon request. References are always available upon request, so stating it is unnecessary. In private service, your resume must include a professional headshot, and not just any photo. TIBA has specific standards. For your photo, focus on what matters: natural lighting, a neutral or sector-appropriate background, think household interior for butlers, a kitchen for chefs, and professional attire like butler's uniform or a business suit. Novoresume handles the cropping and formatting automatically, so just upload a high-quality image and adjust the framing to keep your face centered. Your expression matters too. You want to look relaxed and approachable, but capable. A confident smile says, "I'm friendly and professional." Light retouching is fine. Adjust brightness, contrast, crop, but avoid heavy filters or airbrushing. Now, the cover letter. In private service, this document is more than an introduction. It's a demonstration of your judgment, discretion, and communication style. Remember, principals are often choosing between 2 to 3 finalists. Your cover letter is your chance to speak directly to them in your own voice and tell your story in a way that distinguishes you from everyone else. Every cover letter must be tailored to the specific role, no generic template. The tone should be formal and service-oriented. Establish credibility early by referencing your years of service and types of household, but never reveal identifying details about who you worked for. And end with a confident, clear request for an interview. See how this closing is gracious but purposeful? It expresses appreciation and clearly states the next steps. That's exactly what principals are looking for. Alright, so let's build this together. I'll show you step by step how to create these documents in Novoresume. First, choose a clean, professional template. For private service, I recommend the minimalist or traditional templates. They project understated professionalism, which is exactly what this industry values. Avoid anything too creative or flashy. Next, add your professional headshot. If it's not already available in the editor, click on Layout in the top menu, then header and toggle on Show Profile Picture. This activates the photo placeholder. Then click on the photo area and select Upload Photo, drop in your professional headshot, and remember, portrait orientation, natural lighting, and professional attire. Now, fill in your information. Start with your header, name, title, contact details, nationality, and birth year. Then your professional summary. Keep it to 2-3 sentences that capture your experience and value. For work experience, remember to include the reason for departing each position. Add this as the last bullet point under each role. You can use neutral language like contract concluded or principal relocating. And here's an important tip. Focus your bullet points on experience that's relevant for the job you're applying for. If you have prior work outside of private service, keep it brief. A general summary sentence that supports your overall narrative is enough. You don't need to go deep on non-relevant details. And don't forget your education, butler training and certifications that are relevant to the private service. Things like WSET, food safety, or first aid. Skip certifications that don't apply to household roles. And for licenses and visas, include expiration dates. This shows you're detail-oriented and helps principals plan ahead. For your cover letter, go back to your documents dashboard, click the 3 dots on your resume, and select Matching Cover Letter. This creates a cover letter with the same design, giving your application a cohesive, professional look. Then, customize the content. Remember, tailor every cover letter to the specific position. Generic cover letters get rejected. And before we wrap up, here are some insider tips that can make the difference between getting an interview and getting overlooked. Tip number 1. Customize your resume for every single position. Read the job description carefully and highlight the experience you have that matches what they are looking for. If they emphasize event coordination and that's part of your background, make it prominent. But only include experience you genuinely have. This isn't about padding your resume, it's about making your relevant skills easy to find. Tip number 2. Quantify your achievements. Don't just say you manage budgets, say managed household budgets exceeding $350,000 annually. Numbers create credibility. Tip number 3. Have smart casual photos ready. Agencies often request additional photos that show your personality. A blazer with a crisp shirt, relaxed but professional. And if you're a TIBA candidate, their portal has a place to upload these directly. And tip number 4, triple check everything. A single typo can disqualify you. These families expect perfection. Show them you can deliver it from the very first document. And finally, be flexible about traveling. Many ultra-high net worth families have multiple properties worldwide. If you're open to traveling or relocating seasonally, make that clear in your cover letter. It's a huge advantage. So there you have it, a complete TIBA standard resume and cover letter built from scratch. These documents follow every guideline that the world's top Butlers Academy requires. Are you ready to create yours? Head to novoresume.com and use the templates we show today as inspiration. The links are in the description below. And if you're serious about a career in private service, check out the International Butler Academy. Their training is recognized worldwide. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, hit subscribe because we've got more content coming to help you land your dream career. Good luck out there.